अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं आया हूँ नया कैमरा लेने। 3 से 4 लाख मेरा बजट है। जी हाँ, 3 से 4 लाख का मैं एक नया कैमरा लूँगा। अभी मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ माइक्रो फोर ओलंपस EM5 Mark III। ये कैमरा लगभग मुझे मिला था, जब लॉन्च हुआ था मुझे मिला था 2 लाख के करीब किट के साथ। 2 लाख तो नहीं, 1,70,000 कुछ था, क्योंकि हाँ 1,70,000 के करीब मुझे ये कैमरा मिला था किट के साथ। मैंने यहाँ के 8,500 हांगकॉन्ग डॉलर के लिया था, तो पाकिस्तान के 1,70,000 बनते, उतने का ये कैमरा था। चले बेगम, अभी हम नया कैमरा लेने चले मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। हम जा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे हम जा रहे हैं। ये है वन चाई कंप्यूटर सेंटर। चले अभी अंदर हम चलते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द शॉप एड्रेस एंड डिजिटल, फर्स्ट फ्लोर, शॉप 112। ओके, 112 इज़ द शॉप। थैंक यू। No, thank you. Rabia, 112 is the shop. So I'm here just trying to see. The shop number is 112. अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं यहाँ पे आया एक नया कैमरा लेने। मैं कौन सा लेने वाला हूँ बेगम कैमरा? मैं ओलंपस तो यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, माइक्रो फोर थर्ड कैमरा इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे मैं कैमरा आपको दिखाता हूँ, काफ़ी अच्छे मिल रहे हैं कैमरे, आप देख सकते हैं। EM200 3480 का मिल रहा है। तो मैं यहाँ पे लेने आया हूँ Panasonic S5 फुल फ्रेम कैमरा लेना चाह रहा हूँ। मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ, यकीन माने, मैं फाइनली फुल फ्रेम कैमरा ले रहा हूँ। मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता अपनी खुशी का, यकीन माने इतना खुश हूँ मैं। मुझे माइक्रो फोर थर्ड ओलंपस कैमरा बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन मैं चाह रहा फुल फ्रेम लूँ क्योंकि मुझे ट्रैवल करना है। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बाय। चले मैं चलता हूँ, चले अंदर चलते हैं कैमरा लेने। ओके, there's a lot of laptop. Rabia, be careful. I've been thinking to get a new, some kind of Lovi Pro. Okay, what is it? 112, where is the shop 112? Okay, we are at around somewhere 118. Okay, like where we are, I'm just trying to see where we have to go. It have to be 112, 112. Rabia Khaim. Hello, Panasonic S5.
Oh, you WhatsApp for us?
Yeah, WhatsApp, yes.
With the lens, right?
With the lens, yes.
Yes.
I pay $4,000 by the voucher, okay?
4,000 in voucher.
Yeah.
Octopus.
Alipay.
Alipay. Yeah.
This one I pay cash.
Yeah. Alipay is 1%.
Okay,
4,000.
1%.
1.5.
1.5. Okay.
Yeah, 1.5.
Okay, 4,000.
Yeah.
1.5. So 60 plus 4,000. 4,060. Okay, I pay by voucher, and rest I pay 10,480 cash.
Yeah.
Okay.
S5 with the lens.
Yes, 5 with the lens. So finally I'm upgrading it. Normally I'm use the micro four third camera for me.
Micro four third camera.
Yeah, I already use Olympus EM5 Mark III.
EM5 Mark III.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's why you can using.
Yeah, I'm thinking to upgrade, like. Yeah, I want something like maybe better quality. This one brand new, right?
Yeah, brand new. This is the latest model.
Yeah. So normally I'm just buying for my YouTube. I have my YouTube channel also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we see the company WhatsApp.
Yes. Robert, this is the camera.
如果今日俾到訂是可以的。
S5 kit. Yeah. I really like the lens 20 to 60.
Which color is this?
You don't have the Panasonic the TZ100 compact camera?
Yeah, out of stock.
Out of stock. If have stock, let me know.
Yeah.
Because
I'll WhatsApp to you.
because I want to carry one camera here, like easy take out.
Or snapshot lah.
So yes, snapshot. Yeah.
Quickly.
Quickly, I like that one.
Yeah.
Also, I like the viewfinder. No need to. I use the RX 100. Use two-hand problem. RX 100.
RX 100.
Yeah, viewfinder.
Uh-huh.
We first left view hand, two-hand camera operation, not one hand. Yeah. I like
The
it.
Sony one.
Yes, only one.
係咯
Yeah. You have to first take out the viewfinder.
viewfinder.
Yeah. For the EVF. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So. Okay.
Okay, maybe try this one.
Yeah. Try this one.
Yeah.
Oh, we are going to try the
Rabia.
camera. Okay.
दूसरे हाथ में कर लो.
Yeah. You see the lens here, the
Lens
body here.
The body here.
Yeah. And this is the shoulder strap.
Shoulder strap.
Yeah.
It's okay, Rabia.
Yeah. You take a look.
Okay.
I think the size is good.
So Rabia, take my picture.
Good for you.
So here's my Panasonic S5.
yeah.
Oh, picture.
It's okay.
Please take a picture.
Yeah, this one picture.
Okay. Yes. Okay, ready? One more. One more.
Are you
Yeah.
done?
Video or photo?
Photo.
Photo 啊，photo 啦，係啦。
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's nice.
I like it. Oh, I like it. Let me just hold my camera.
I think you know very well about.
Yeah, I know. I use Panasonic G7, G9, GH4,
Yeah.
GH3 also.
Yeah.
What is specialty in the new model?
This one is full frame.
Yeah, full frame.
Full
yeah.
frame.
Yes. But remember, you have to use some full frame lens.
Yeah, full frame. So this nowadays lenses are expensive. Maybe I will getting like some full frame or even
Yeah.
use APS-C lens Sigma.
Full frame, for example, the 70 to 300. the full
How
frame
much is
lens.
that one?
70 to 300. That is expensive. 70 to 300. Yes. So that is, but acceptable the price because compare other brand, the Panasonic still cheaper than other brand.
Around it will be 7, 8,000, 9,
Yeah, 8,300.
800. It's not expensive for a full frame.
係啊。
Yeah. So
If
Sony.
compare other brand Sony, maybe you pay 14,000 or
For, yeah,
15,000
yeah, 14,
already.
15. I know. Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe next month I will get that one because only two lenses can travel around the world.
Yeah.
20 to 60 and
Because
7.
60, 70 to 200.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Normally I was thinking to get the 8 to 25
To 25.
Olympus. Around 8,000 expensive.
Yeah.
I say it's much better I get a new camera.
Yeah, full frame.
Full frame.
And then maybe I use my battery to.
Yeah, you test.
Because I just worry the battery they are low power.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
This is BLK22. Okay.
Yeah. This one, how much is this battery?
This one is 280 Hong Kong.
280 Hong Kong. Any cheaper one like around?
This is already.
Oh, this one is the another
cheaper
one.
yeah.
Oh,
Because the Panasonic one about 600, 700.
I was using the Panasonic G9 battery.
Yeah,
Different battery.
yeah. The sensor is really big.
Really very big.
Yeah,
As you can see.
You can compare the sensor.
Yeah, it's very tiny. Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Okay.
I'm just buying this camera for this lens.
Yes.
This lens is like very wide and very good.
Yes.
Sony, no one have this kind of lens.
Yeah.
They only have like 17 to 28 or 14 to 28 something.
Okay, you try.
So, Rabbit, take my picture. Let me give the. Rabbit. Okay. So if you are wearing a mask, sometimes, for example, taking picture with the glasses can be a problem with my camera. So the EVF is small, but this EVF is big. I like it. Like I can easily use glasses and take a picture. It's okay. I like it.
No problem.
No problem. This one EVF is good. This one I take a picture. Sometimes you know fog come in my glasses. Very small.
I see.
Yeah, this one is very comfortable.
Oh.
I like the ice cup.
I cap, yeah.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes.
So what other free gifts come with this camera?
No free gift here, okay? No free gift.
I give you the cleaning set. lah, no
Oh,
problem.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. My wife always free gift.
No problem. Just hope you happy, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cleaning set.
I buy this Osmo Pocket for you. Now you're happy.
Okay. At least you can clean.
Clean. Also, I want to ask, how much is the screen protector? Do you have?
The screen protector. Let me check. 180.
有冇嗰隻平啲嘅 a little bit
平啲啊
around
但係呢個好似啱唔啱？
around 100 is
冇啊，
冇嘅
冇啊，嗰啲
冇嘅。
呢個睇下先，呢個喎，呢個睇下得唔得先啊？maybe 咦，maybe OK 喎呢個。
This one okay, maybe 100 because I don't buy expensive.
I know，咁若呢個唔 fit 啊，
唔 fit 嘅冇問題啊。
差少少啊，
好啊
因為嗰個邊個 edge 嗰度咧
哦
，maybe not tight，黐唔到落去
Understood.
，maybe not
Understand.
maybe the plastic one.
Plastic one.
Yeah, the plastic one, 50 Hong Kong.
50.
係啊
Good.
呢個唔啱 ，not suitable。
No suitable.
係啊。Try the plastic.
Plastic one, yeah.
係啊
आप देख सकते हैं मैं कैमरा नाज़िन ले रहा हूँ नया। अभी मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा खुश हूँ। बुनियादी तौर पे मैंने एक नया क्या कहते हैं कैमरा ले रहा हूँ। तकरीबन पाकिस्तानी 3,20,000 का मिल रहा है किट के साथ। राबे आपको कैमरा कैसा लगा? अच्छा लग रहा है। फुल फ्रेम है। तो मैंने अब ये कैमरे का डन कर लिया है। बुनियादी तौर पे ये मैं कैमरा ले रहा हूँ, तो मुझे उम्मीद है कैमरा काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा। Panasonic S5 है, तकरीबन 3 लाख। यहाँ पे मुझे 15,000 का मिल रहा है, पाकिस्तान के बनते हैं। 3,30,000 रुपये का लगभग कैमरा ये। Panasonic S5 है, 20 to 60 मिलीमीटर के साथ इसकी किट है। तो 3,30,000 का मेरे ख्याल से बहुत अच्छा। मैं सोच रहा था Sony A7 लूँ, लेकिन A7 Mark IV वो मिल जाएगा आपको 5 लाख 4 लाख कुछ का, 4,50,000 का। लेकिन मुझे लेंस उसके अच्छे नहीं लगते। इसका लेंस बहुत अच्छा है, 20 to 60 मिलीमीटर, काफ़ी वाइड हो जाता है। तो आप ज़रा नाज़रीन को दुकान का ज़रा इधर से दिखाएं। काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे लेंस इनके पास पड़े हुए हैं। अभी बुनियादी तौर पे मैंने पहले ग्लास का स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टर लगा रहा था, अभी मैंने बोला आप लगा दें, क्या कहते हैं, प्लास्टिक का लगा दें। बाद में मैं अच्छे वाला ले लूँगा। मैं इंटरनेशनल गवर्नमेंट का
但係英文學校都識中文咁犀利嘅。
依家要嘅。
而家要啊？
係啊。我係讀咗2003嘅。係啊。
3 year。
唔係2003。
2003啊。
Yeah. You have? Okay, $40. I have 1,550. Oh, okay, one minute, wait. I first check. Wait, just wait. Let me count. Okay, hold the $40. I'm just counting. How much are you? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. अब देख सकते हैं क्या कहते हैं, मैं ये पैसे दे रहा हूँ। वीडियो बन रही है? अब देख सकते हैं मैं पैसे निकाल के दे रहा हूँ। एक तकरीबन 2 लाख में कैश दे रहा हूँ। 1 2 3 गिन लूँ मैं? वो तो आया तो अभी केस फ्री का मिल रहा है। पिक अप द फोन लेटर, लेट मी जस्ट फर्स्ट काउंट द मनी आई एम गेटिंग टू 1 2 Rabia, will you please listen, please like pick up the receipt? अब receipt उठा ले। Can I count first? Close the phone. 1,000. Oh, 1. 2,000. 3,000. 4,000. 5,000. 6
6
7
7
8
8
9
9 yes.
Rabia, will you please 9
5 6 7 8 9 yeah
10
9,000 10,000 500
90 90 1 minute, give 90.
Yeah, 10,500
$10,600.
10,600 $10 change.
$10 change.
Thank you.
Thank you.
$10 哎呀，你有冇$10 ？You have $10?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Sorry, I only got 10.
No, I have 1 minute. I check.
Yeah, I like cons.
1 minute. I have 5. I have
Cons okay.
10. Okay, thank
多
you.
謝啦
多
thank
謝
you。
มันก็
仲有個 camera
แกม
case
รับเคสके है राबिया उनको कह दो ना इतना ज़रूरी क्या तंग करना
呢個
नहीं को तो
你可以擺埋嗰個 lens together。
हो हमको या मुझे प्लास्टिक बैग है पहले यत मन
有啊，就係你俾我1蚊，
है
因為而家要1蚊。
है यत मन के उमसाई पे ले有問題嘅知嘅
係啊，唔俾我有問題
係啊
啊，加文佢會有
गवर्नमेंट है知嘅
捉我啊。
वो हमारे हैं। भैया। ओह।
तो राबिया let's go are you already got the camera put the money inside
Okay, okay.
make sure you put the money inside okay
Yeah,
thank you Rabiya just get the bag
Yeah.
okay
Thank you.
okay
Okay,
thank you very
多謝
much bye bye
Yeah, you are done.
done
Okay.
के हुआ bye अपन के
Okay.
कैसा है
Bye bye.
bye 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 bye
चलो और बाहर करेंगे आगे
आ रहे हैं ना